Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to everyone. I am Ahmad Danial bin Ismail from lecture 19. So today I want to talk a topic about the determinations of essential nutrients in plants. So for example, the essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, oxygens and carbon. So there are examples of the essential nutrients required in plant. So to be able to grow, develop and produce their best, the plant must have a specific elements or compound that called essential nutrient. A plant that lacks an essential nutrient cannot complete its life cycle. Thus, it will result the seed may not germinate, the plant may not be able to develop their roots, their stems and their flowers properly. So, besides, it also may be not able to produce seed that will create a new plant. So that will cause a plant to die. However, having too much essential nutrient can harm or even kill the plants. For instance, having too much nitrogen can cause the plants to have more leaf but without fruit. So the plant will not produce the product and the product will be less. Essential nutrients can be determined by the hydroponic method. But what is hydroponic? Okay, hydroponic is a method of growing plants in a water that rich in a solution. Hydroponic does not use soil. Instead, the root system is supported using a medium such as perlite, rock wool, clay pellets and peat moss. Thus, it will prove that the plant can grow well if it's supplied with the sunlight, with the water and with the mineral. So, mostly vegetable are often used in the hydroponic method. So the as example, the lettuce, the cabbage, the tomatoes are the vegetable that used in the hydroponic method. Okay, next I want to tell you about the advantages and disadvantages of the hydroponic. So the advantages of the hydroponic method is it can increase the rate of growth of your plants in the short time due to the essential nutrient supplied. Other than that, hydroponic also will reduce the pollutions as it reduce their waste. While the disadvantages of hydroponic method is it is costly. So you have to spend more money to buy the equipment of the hydroponic system. It also requires constant monitoring so that it will affect your time. So you have to constantly monitor the hydroponic system to make sure that whether the product is produced or not. Later, omitting a particular nutrient from liquid medium and observing growth effect allow the scientists to test the nutritional deficiencies. So beside the stunted growth and other deficiencies can be observed by this method. Therefore, farmers and gardeners use fertilizers to avoid deficiency of essential nutrients. Hence, the NPK ratio was introduced. What is NPK ratios? NPK ratios describe the percentage by weight of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium contained in the fertilizer. So every element have their own function. For example, nitrogen promotes the leaf development because of its role in plants for the coloring and chlorophyll. Next, phosphorus plays a key role in the growth of root, blooming, and fruiting, while the potassium also plays a part of root growth as well as in the stem development. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for lending your ears.